Hello everyone, this is Adit back again with another video. So in this video we are going to just host our React application to AWS Amplify, and to host our application I have just created a React application using create React app, and I have just run npx create React app and React serverless tutorial, right? And now I will go inside this application and we'll open this in Visual Studio Code. And you will have to see our brand new application. Here it is. Now we are going to host this application to AWS Amplify. Okay, so to create, I hope you guys already aware of how to create a account on AWS. It requires a credit card to create your account, and once you create an account it gives a free tier, and the all the things that we are going to do in this video is completely free. You can do it without giving any money, and you can just sign in. Like to use AWS, it is recommended to use IAM user, and to set up the IAM user you first need to log in into your root user, and then you do the setup. Like in my case I have already set up my IAM user. So, and if you haven't set up the IAM user already, then I would recommend find some video related to how to set up IAM user, and then come back over here and start from here. So now I will log in into my IAM user. Okay, and I'm just going to log in with my, so I'm just going to put my account ID, which is here, and then this one, and then sign in. And I have MFA created as well, so I will need to put that one. And once you log in into your AWS IAM user, all you need to do is look for AWS Amplify. Like you can search over here if you want. Here you can find the AWS Amplify, and you just go into the AWS Amplify. And here I already have application, but you might not have any applications over here if you are starting new. And then what we're going to do is like first of all, we will move this code to our put this code to our GitHub repository. So let me create a GitHub repo. React tutorial, right? I'm just going to create this repo, and I'm going to copy all this, and I will just run it over here. Okay, and this will zip our code to our repository, and here we have our code. Now what we're going to do is inside the AWS Amplify console, and we are going to choose host our web app using GitHub, and then continue. Okay, and now it will give us to choose the repo. Once it finishes the loading, we can just React serverless tutorial, and we are deploying the main branch, as there is only one branch as of now, just a main branch. You can see over here, and inside your repo as well, you can see there is no other branch, just a main. So we are going to deploy our main branch, and we can just click next. And this is going to take some time after we click the next. So these are the things that this is going to do, AWS Amplify is going to do. And we are going to click next, and then only thing is left is save and deploy. And this is going to take some time. So let's just wait for that. Yes, so it has created a React service to create app. It has created the app, and now it will first provision the app, and then build, and then deploy and verify. And you can see all those progress as well just by clicking on that. Here you can see all the logs, and right now it is in provision phase, so we can just have it in provision. And now it is in build phase. Okay, so this is going to take some time, definitely. Okay, so our app is deployed, and now it is verifying. And once the verification is done, we will have to see our application. Okay, so all the 4 process has been complete. So now if we go to this URL, you will have to see at this URL, your app is deployed. Now, if we do some changes to our application, let's do some changes over here. Let's remove this and put hello world testing React app, and just save it. And once we push this code, and we just push our to our main branch. So we have just pushed our code. Now it will start our build process again. Here you can see now it is provisioning again, and this is the last commit that we did, commit message actually, and this is the commit. And this is deploying the GitHub main. You can just see everything over here, and the last deployment is like this is the current date. And this won't take that much time, like, but still it's going to take some time. So okay, so our app is deployed. Now only the verify process step is remaining. Now the app is verified, and if we are going to refresh our page, we will see hello world testing React app. So this is like a continuous deployment. We just make the changes and it will be deployed. And so this is how you host your application on AWS Amplify. So this is it for this video. So so this is how you deploy your application on Amplify. So if you like the video, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.